everywhere. We can encounter patterns in our daily lives. Patterns are fundamental to understanding the world. They appear in various forms: numerical, geometrical, natural, human-made, and abstract patterns. Run, Athena! We're gonna be late! Oh my God! You're gonna kill us!
Gangster!
Let's go, Athena!
Diyos ko! Ano?
Good morning, class. You may now have your seats. Okay, class. Count off.
5. Counting up is an example of numerical pattern because it follows a repeating sequence. In this case, the pattern is formed by adding 1 in each previous number.
Miss Athena absent? Ma'am, present. Okay, get inside.
One look and then yung iba na. Malagkit, dumikit ang tingin ng mata. One smile, iba.
Class, today we will have our drawing pattern activity.
I think I will draw a geometric pattern. I will draw an abstract pattern.
Quiet, all of you. Okay, pass your drawing.
Kita, bakit ba di ko nun nakita until out of the blue?
This drawing is an example of geometric pattern because it is a sequence of shapes, figures, and objects that follow specific rules and design. While this drawing is an abstract pattern because the design or sequence that focuses on visual elements or repetition. Okay, class, that's all for today. You may go now.
I have nothing to say to you.
You have no choice.
This wall is an example of human-made pattern because it demonstrates regularity and repetition.
Together every week, palaging may sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba?
Do you know?
The day-and-night cycle is an example of natural pattern because it is a repeating sequence of an event.
Feeling that